everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. Today I am at Hill of Tara, which is in County Meath. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And one thing that I would like to say you, there is no parking fees or any admission fees to visit this place. Hill of Tara is a special place full of stories from long ago. Tara is really important in Irish history and stories because it's where the High Kings of Ireland were set to rule. We are going to check out this amazing place where you will hear about kings and heroes all set against beautiful scenery. Let's travel back in time together at the Hill of Tara. There is a church known as St. Patrick Church on Hill of Tara, which is said to have built in the 12th century. It was founded in the medieval times, making it Ireland's the oldest Christian worship place. The structure presently serves as a visitor centre run by the Office of Public Works. The original statue of St. Patrick was removed in 1992 by the Office of Public Works for repairs. The statue suffered significant damage during the removal and was later vandalized. The present statue of St. Patrick was constructed on the Hill of Tara in 2000. This cross marks the 1798 Battle of Tara Hill, which took place on May 26, 1798, between British soldiers and Irish rebels, resulting in an immense defeat for the rebels and the end of the rebellion in County Meath. Because this is a historic landmark, we were unable to fly the drone above it and get an aerial shot. The area where we are presently walking is known as the Royal Seat. It consists of a combination of late prehistoric monuments to the dead. It may have had a role in the inauguration rituals on the Tara Hill. This gravestone symbolizes the 400 Irish rebels who lost their life in 1798 Battle of Tara. The Stone of Destiny, which is a 1.5 meter high standing stone which functioned as an inauguration stone for the kings of Ireland. Legend says that if a rightful king touches the stone will roar. In the early 19th century, the Stone of Destiny was relocated to this place. Its original location was near the entrance to the Mound of Hostages. It is quite windy today and there are the guided tours available on request from 20th May to mid-September. The Mound of Hostages is the most significant and oldest monument on Hill of Tara, containing a Neolithic passage tomb built 5,000 years ago. For almost 1,500 years, it served as a burial ground for human remains. Despite its relative simplicity, the passage has a sunlight alignment that corresponds to the Celtic festivals of Imbolc and Samhain. I am looking for the shamrock in the grass, which you can always see in the right hand of the St. Patrick. According to the Christian tradition, St. Patrick used the shamrock to explain the Holy Trinity to Irish Christian converts. He chose each leaf to represent the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. This tree is referred to as a wishing tree or a fairy tree. Often people tie a little piece of a cloth or a ribbon on the tree branch, wishing for their loved one's health. I request you to tie the biodegradable fabric to the tree to prevent it from dying. Near the entrance of Hill of Tara, there is a small gift shop where you can buy something for yourself or family members and friends as a souvenir. I hope you like the fascinating history of Hill of Tara. Please support my channel by subscribing to it and hitting the like button on this video.